एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू शर्मा फैमिली यूएसए ब्लॉग। तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं वॉशिंगटन मॉन्यूमेंट। ये मॉन्यूमेंट बना था ऑनर में जो फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट थे यूएस के, जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन। और ये जो मॉन्यूमेंट है आप देख रहे हैं, ये इसके 2 कलर्स हैं। बिकॉज उसका रीज़न ये है, ये मॉन्यूमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था बनना 1848 में, बट आफ्टर 6 ईयर इन 1854 इसको रोकना पड़ा था बिकॉज ऑफ सिविल वॉर एंड सो मैनी पॉलिटिकल्स इशू। तो तब ये रुक गया था और फिर ये स्टार्ट हुआ था इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स। इन 1884 में जाकर ये बिल्डिंग बनकर रेडी हुआ था। और जब ये मॉन्यूमेंट बना था तो ये दुनिया का सबसे टॉलेस्ट मॉन्यूमेंट था, बट स्टिल इट इज़ द टॉलेस्ट स्टोन स्ट्रक्चर इन द वर्ल्ड। इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक अ इनसाइड टूर, सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर सम टिप्स विद यू गाइज। देयर इज़ अ वेबसाइट कॉल्ड recreation.gov। वहाँ पर जाकर आप अपना टाइम स्लॉट बुक कर सकते हैं। यू हैव टू पे ओनली जस्ट $1 फॉर इट। बट द ट्रिक इज़, जो टाइम स्लॉट बुक करने का स्टार्ट होता है वो स्टार्ट होता है 10 o'clock ऑफ ईस्टर्न टाइम, एंड विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स सारे स्लॉट्स बुक हो जाते हैं। सो यू हैव टू बुक like 30 days before you are going to visit this monument or 1 day before। अभी हम लोग टूर लेने जा रहे हैं और हमने बहुत पहले से ट्राई किया था, 30 डेज़ पहले से, बट हमें कोई भी रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिल रहा था, कोई भी टाइम स्लॉट्स अवेलेबल नहीं था। तो हम लोगों ने कल सर्च किया एंड द ट्रिक इज़ don't look for the morning time slots because that's not available, क्योंकि लोग एकदम से ऑन होता है और सब लोग वो टाइम स्लॉट बुक कर लेते हैं। सो यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द इवनिंग टाइम स्लॉट्स। अगर आपको टाइम स्लॉट चाहिए और आपको इनसाइड टूर लेना है तो बुक आफ्टर 3 o'clock टाइमिंग्स। एंड आइए हमारे साथ, हम आपको एंजॉय कराते हैं इनसाइड टूर ऑफ दिस मॉन्यूमेंट। So we are standing in the line. We have 3 o'clock appointment today, and it is very hard to take this appointment.
Thank you.
A couple of first minors. First of all, is washrooms for the Washington Monument. George Washington's lifetime was not the necessity, so it's necessary for you to use those facilities. But you gotta go.
So that's positive. We may have a second group join you by the time that elevator gets back down. Like I said, right now it's going up. It'll go to 500 feet. Everybody will get off. It'll go to 490, pick folks up and come back down. So, any questions about the Washington Monument now that you're inside? Any burning questions? How many floors? So actually we have 3 floors. If this were a regular building, it'd be about 52, 53 floors. But we have just the 0 floor, the first floor. We have a 400 or 500 foot level, which is our observation level, and we have a 490 foot level, which is our museum level. Everything else is just traveling from one to the other. So, anything else?
Thank you.
The original is in the State House in Virginia, and I think it is marble, but the rest of them have been cast in bronze. Now there is one in Great Britain.
So we are waiting for the elevator.
We are so tired now. Morning से we are in sun only. Now अभी
It's so
तक
sunny.
थोड़ा AC लगा है, doors open now.
Okay, let's go.
George Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you can see all view from the,
Yeah.
this view.
So how many?
Plus it'll take
How many
70 seconds, you'll exit on that side. Have a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
The elevator is taking you 500 feet to the observation level. The monument is actually 555 feet, 5 1/8 inches tall, and at the time of its completion in 1884, that height made it the world's tallest structure. That didn't last too long, however, because just 5 years later, in 1889, the Eiffel Tower was completed, which is nearly twice as tall as this. But since this has to be the world's tallest something, the Washington Monument has been determined to be the world's tallest freestanding stone structure, meaning there is no steel support inside. It's just stone upon stone, held together by gravity, and everyone holding their breath. It's pretty impressive.
It's 500 now. Right? So from here we can see all this. We can see the Capitol. And there are 8 windows actually. So there are total 8 windows. 1, 2, 3, 4 in each direction.
You can see the view from the windows only.
Yeah.
We are waiting for our turn.
Let's see. Come. So that is the east. So this one is the east side. East side. So we'll see. We'll wait for the time. So this is the south window. So from here you can see the.
Wow, that the same
This is the Thomas Jefferson Memorial.
memorial, yeah.
So you can see U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum. I think that one.
Yeah. And some view
And
from
this
that
is the
side.
that is the Potomac River. So Potomac River. That is the Potomac River. And you see the bridge
Tidal Basin, East Potomac Park.
over here, south.
The view has not changed much since the Thomas Jefferson Memorial opened in 1943. Imagine the Japanese cherry tree in the bloom along the tidal basin in spring. These trees were a gift of friendship from Tokyo. Wow.
So
But they are
these
not.
are the trees. This one. Yeah, down there. Cherry blossom tree. Yeah.
We'll see the other side.
Let's go to the other side. We'll wait for the turn. It's the same way. It's all south. So two window in each direction. So this is the west. You can see the Lincoln Memorial from here. Lincoln Memorial, Korean War Memorial, Martin Luther Memorial,
All the
Vietnam.
memorials we visit.
Yeah, Vietnam Veteran Memorial, World War II Memorial. This side you can't see it. And Lincoln Memorial. All the
Yeah, what a view coming from it.
right? It's beautiful, right, Avish? Isn't it beautiful, Avish? Oh, you see there? Martin Luther Memorial, you see? Right there?
Yes.
You see two stone? What's the airplane going?
This is so beautiful.
Okay, Avish.
See, but this is pretty scary, right? There is no iron, only stones above stones.
At the north side. So north.
I see the White House over there.
You can see the White House.
Yes.
Oh yeah, White House is there. You see, that one is the White House. Over there, that one. And you see, they have the baseball field up there.
That's the White House. This one?
No.
This one.
Oh, that's no, that one. This one.
Zoom it.
This is the White House.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's street. And that's the place where we are staying. That thing, you remember? The first day the park in the between Franklin Park and school.
Yeah.
Wow. See all DC from here, right?
Yeah.
All the directions. East window.
This is east side window. So from here you can see National Aerospace Museum, National Art Gallery, National Museum of American Indian, United States Capitol, Library of Congress, Supreme Court. It's a big nice.
But this is not open now because like just like Burj Khalifa is open, you can see, है ना?
But this is beautiful. This is 555 feet.
And what a clear view is coming from here.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know about video, but it's a very clear view, right?
Yeah. You can go down one floor for the exhibit.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. And take stairs.
It's already low.
Yes, it's all the way down now. But we can go.
So we are taking stairs, not all the way down, just for exhibit.
One floor down. See, they make the this is what do you call it? This one on the top pyramid on the top.
Fancy window से आता spider बनाया.
Yeah, this is the exhibit.
So ये जब बनना स्टार्ट हुआ था, ये स्टार्ट हुआ था 1848 में. By 1845 the stone structure had reached 152 feet.
Yeah.
तो फर्स्ट टाइम जब ये बना 1848 में तो ये सिर्फ 152 फीट तक बना था बिकॉज ऑफ सम पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रगल्स एंड सिविल वॉर गोइंग ऑन दैट टाइम एंड लैक ऑफ मनी. उन लोगों को बीच में वो कंस्ट्रक्शन रोकना पड़ा था एंड फिर वो इनकम्प्लीट रह गया था. द मॉन्यूमेंट स्टूड इनकम्प्लीट फॉर 20 years तक वो हाफ कंस्ट्रक्टेड था
Yeah,
बस,
this is the
जस्ट लाइक
picture.
ओनली 152 feet. And then soldier drill on the White House eclipse during the Civil War. The monument behind them remain unfinished. और यहाँ पे पता है इस monument के अंदर गाय को रखा गया था Civil War के टाइम पे.
Okay, so in the monument during the Civil War.
See?
Great Pyramid, Washington Monument, Eiffel Tower, Empire State Building.
So when it's finished, तब तक दुनिया में इतना tallest building कोई भी नहीं था. 1884 में it was the tallest building in the world.
Yeah. Then 1889 में Eiffel Tower बना, twice big.
Only for elevator they use the iron. Other than that is only stone.
Yeah.
As if we were talking about these films.
और 1888 में एलिवेटर स्टार्ट हुआ है. उससे पहले सब स्टेयर से चल के आते थे.
Yeah, maybe.
The trip took 12 minutes compared to only 70 seconds today.
Maybe elevator earlier.
Earlier.
पुराना elevator ये था ना. Steam power elevator था ना 1880 में.
Yeah, how high can you count? It is 896 step to the top. अगर steps लेते तो 896. One of the world's iconic landmark और वॉशिंगटन का तो सबसे tallest building है.
और वर्ल्ड का भी tallest building, standing tallest building.
Stone.
Made of the stone.
Made of the stone.
Yeah. Tallest. What do you call structure?
Yeah.
Tallest structure made of the stone.
Made of the stone. No iron. Only for the elevators they use the iron.
Spider-Man movie shooting happened here.
Oh, where? Oh, yeah. We already told that, right? Spider-Man Homecoming movie.
4. If you are of a similar height or taller, please move to the center of the elevator, because on the way down we'll be doing something special. Twice, the elevator will slow, the lights will dim, the windows will become clear, and you will be able to see some of the over 190 commemorative stones that line the interior of the monument from top to bottom. Each stone has a story. These stones come from everywhere. Every state donated one, as do numerous countries, cities, societies, colleges, Masonic lodges, and military units, all to
Let's go.
Did your ears pop?
Yeah, little bit.
Yes, right.
Thank you.
We're going to, let me get that door closed and we'll open this one up, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah, pretty heavy door, right? All right, go out and take a left for me,
how many
okay?
locks it has?
Thank y'all for coming today.
तो ये था हमारा मॉन्यूमेंट का व्लॉग. अगर आपको हमारा व्लॉग पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. जल्दी मिलते हैं आपसे न्यू व्लॉग के साथ. टिल देन बाय बाय. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.